Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, what happened on Friday?
Friday, the Dow was flat, falling less than 2 points and closing at 22,774 on a mixed jobs report. Boeing and Chevron sold off the most for the Dow. The yield on bonds jumped after a report with the 2-year Treasury closing at 1.51%, its highest close since 2008. And the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury closing at 2.36, which was also up.
All right, let's get to that jobs report. What did it say?
Well, we had a mixed jobs report with the economy losing 33,000 jobs, the first contraction in job growth since 2010. We were expecting a low number due to the hurricanes, but we were not expecting a loss of jobs, however. It should be temporary. Some really good news came out of the report. Wages increased 2.9%, and the unemployment rate fell to 4.2%, which is a 16-year low.
All right, now what are we hearing about the Panama Canal and their expansion? This is that new lock and dam, right?
Exactly. Panama's $5 billion investment to expand the canal is paying off big for them and us. The bigger canal opened in June of 2016, and they can now accommodate ships 3 times as large, and the route takes a week less than other trips. Panama has had their 2,000th larger ship go through last week. Most of the goods go to our ports on the East Coast. Old ships could carry about 5,000 containers, while the new ships carry almost 15,000.
Wow. So twice as much and twice as fast. So that's all good news. What about Google? What are we hearing from them?
Right. Alphabet, the parent of Google, has received an emergency permit from the FCC to launch giant balloons that will offer cell service. The project is called Loon, and they have been testing it in South America. Alphabet still needs a cell provider to offer the service, but they could get this up and running. It would be huge for the company and the people in Puerto Rico.
Oh, yeah. So, I see. So when the cell towers go down, this is a quick way to get it back and up and going.
Exactly. They can actually put towers in balloons. So,
wow.
Crazy.
Right. Yeah, all right. Markets today.
Today, the Dow looks up 40 points. We have a very busy week with the third quarter earnings starting this week. We will hear from a few big banks later in the week also. We also get the FOMC minutes from September, and they look at the CPI on Friday. So we'll see how those numbers come out.
Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. We'll do it all again tomorrow.